Hello students, good morning all of you. Today I Ravindra Mohan Mishra from Sri Jagdamba Sanskrit College Batho am taking the class of Shastri first. We have seen many critical appreciation, many grammatical portions, different topics of which today I say Bihar of my dreams. I dream of a Bihar which should tread on the path of development with administrative reforms, developing energy sector, water resources expansion, increase in civic amenities, a smooth transportation, creating new employment opportunities, empowerment of women and the poor, education, health, and social welfare. I dream of Bihar free from corruption, nepotism, favoritism, casteism, manual disorder, communal disorder, discord, and terrorism. It is a matter of happiness that in recent years, quality facilities in different fields like education, health, agriculture, and other sectors have improved from better to better. All India Medical Science, All India Institute in Patna, IIM at Gaya, Central University at Gaya and Motihari, the arrival of the ancient Nalanda University are a few examples of developing Bihar. I dream of Bihar getting transformed with excellence in every field. I dream to be self sufficient in electricity and a model for the other states of India. I dream of Bihar as a state which is not called a Bimaru state and where there is no jungle raj. I dream of Bihar where there is no question of flood. As you know, flood is much more threat for a whole of country, especially for Bihar. The flood is an annual feature in many parts of India during the rainy season. If it rains, cats and dogs, rivers, a stream, pond, etc. are not able to contain all the rainwater in their beds. For that, there will be the inundation of the water on the residential area. As a result, the flood situation is created. Sometimes it is caused by the melting snow of the mountains also. The melting snow on the mountains which increases the volume of water in the rivers. Now and then, breaches in embankment of a river also results in floods. Flood, Floods cause a heavy damage to men, animals, crops, and houses. They render hundreds and thousands of people homeless. Animals and houses are washed away with the flood waters. Floods also damage railway lines and roads, which brings transportation to a standstill. The scarcity of flood creates price rise. Flood are frequently in Bihar. The water from Nepal creates flood in the Kosi river, which is called the curse of Bihar. Both long-term and short-term measures are needed to tackle the menace of the flood. Another dream of Bihar is that our agriculture equipment will be rich. The condition of the farmer is very pathetic. He they does not produce more and more with the lack of good knowledge of cropping, lack of equipment, lack of resources, and many others. They are forced to live very pathetic or poor life. Our government is not taking much more appropriate step to see this problem. This is not good for us and for our country because our country is the land of agriculture. There are 90% of Indians are engaged in manual labor. However, our present educational system does not give due importance to dignity of labor. The people live in very scarcity or meager, very small amount of life. Our government is trying to maintain the balance by eliminating the source and the waste. There are also many breach in the system of our thinking and cultural phenomena. We are not very punctual and very energetic to do wholeheartedly 100% if 100% activity to our country. The corrupt public distribution system is responsible for this problem. We are serving many bad deeds for the our country. I dream of Bihar where there is no question of prohibition alcohol. Our Bihar be free from alcohol. Bihar became a dry state for days after the promulgation of partial ban on country liquid on April 1, 2016. The step taken by the Nitish government is bold and laudable. This will go on a long way in improving people's health. Bihar is a backward state. The youth can now concentrate on education instead of alcohol. It would also lead to a fall in criminal activities. Road accidents will come down, domestic violence will decrease, and the waste of money on alcohol would stop. Addiction to alcohol has been a major concern for women in Bihar also. They will feel a sigh of relief. It is not only women who has to bear the consequences. The ill effect of alcohol also leave an indelible impact on children. However, the ban must be implemented in sincere and honest way. It is the responsibility of government to provide a suitable alternative to those who will lose their jobs due to the ban. Other states also will illuminate Bihar in banning the sale and consumption of liquid. Bihar government should find out other sources of income to compensate the loss incurred by the ban to the exchequer. Only then Bihar will move on the path of the progress and prosperity. Thanks. Good night.